Hey, what's going on YouTube? Street Rider 209. What I have for you guys today is another video on LED lighting. You guys have probably seen this truck already on my channel. This is my buddy Tony's truck. It's a Silverado SS clone. What I will be doing today is I'll have the links for these on the description. This is a little bit more affordable than the Oxbeam brand, but they are really nice too. I've already done these on another car, but he has HID. I want to say he's a 10K. They are kind of dark blue. He does not like that. It's hard to see at night. And he does have LEDs already on the high beams, but I'm going to go ahead and replace them. Aside from that, I'm going to go ahead and modify possibly this side only. So we pop the hood open. Just basically unplug these. Alright guys, so you guys know on these headlights, the inner one is the high beam and the outer one is the low beam. So 9006, that's your low beam. 9005, that's your high beam. So we're going to try to mount these and see how they go. There you go, nice and easy. Now for the high beam. There it is. Alright, so they are ready to be plugged in. That's so much easier than a big pile of mess of cables like this, honestly. So much easier. LED lighting makes it a breeze, except for the fitment of these lights. So one thing off the bat, I could tell that, since they're different sizes, they're going to need a little bit different modifications. In other words, the ones that I have are a little bit bigger, so I needed to notch more material on my truck. These are smaller, so I might not have to do that much notching. Alright, so let's get these on the truck and see what kind of wait and see what they show me. Alright guys, so I put the camera up top, so hopefully you guys don't miss anything. So these should be plugged in properly. I know that on the HIDs, if you guys know, sometimes you have to swap these the other way around. This should be a breeze. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the truck, or just hit on the ignition and make sure that they're both on. Alright guys, so as you guys can see, they're working. Let me show you this light. See how that light is like dark blue? This is white. Alright guys, so now that the light is working, I'm going to try to pop the light in place and kind of eyeball and see where it needs to not be notched. Right off the bat, I can see already. I don't know if you guys can see right in here. This is going to hit slightly. This is about the size of a 3/8, like a quarter almost, I want to say, like a quarter. So I'm going to notch about 3/8 of an inch up that way. Alright, so far that's what I've done with that drill. I basically just, up and down, sideways like this. As you guys can see, it makes like a little half circle area, so that's what we need to notch off. I'm going to keep doing this and then I'll show you guys how it comes out. Alright guys, so I just finished trimming right here. I trimmed a little bit more to the left because originally when I trimmed it, I cut a little bit too much to the right and it barely hit on the corner up here. So I did a little bit more trimming to the left and now they clear all the way. I just checked them. I checked to make sure that this one, the person that did the install on these, they completely cut this piece off. I don't recommend doing that. I just recommend doing a slight notch right around where the circle is for the fan. Just so that it doesn't look like that completely broken off. Yes, it's easy and it's super fast, but it just doesn't look good. Alright, so I'm gonna pop this light in and I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. Alright guys, so I just finished doing this side, this exact same notch. I just cut off a little bit of the circle. On this one though, I did have to notch a little bit more for the high beam, because you know how they cut the piece off of the back. They didn't really cut all the way to the edge of the steel on this side, so I just needed to trim that slightly. But they are ready. Let me turn on the alright, so they are ready. High beams. So this is the true white ones. I believe they're 6,000K that are on most auto parts, you know, for like $50-$60. Alright guys, so now that we did the headlights, it's dark. I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the underglow so I can show you guys why he wanted it to match. I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the headlights. So now when he rolls up and he has the lights on, it looks white, and then the bottom looks white also. It doesn't, it's coming out somewhat light blue on the camera. I'm not sure why, but it's white. When he used to roll up to the meets, it was dark blue and then white on the bottom, and he wanted it all consistent. You know, he's got the white lights. I did the white switchbacks on here also, so now they match. And then when he has the underglow, it matches. I'll be doing some LEDs on the bumper also, or on the grill. I'm not sure. We already talked about it. I don't know if he wants to go with, but that way everything just looks white. So let's take this on the road and see what these lights look like. Alright guys, so as you guys can see, this is really bright. I'm gonna kick on the high beams in a second, as soon as I kind of clear my gate. White high beams. Alright, so let's go drive this around, kind of get you guys a little bit better view on what it looks like. Alright guys, that's the view right there. I can see incredibly well. It's white, so I can see color. Alright guys, so in a second I'm gonna have him kind of drive by, and you guys can see how the truck looks with those lights as he turns the corner. There he comes. Yeah, so they are definitely not overwhelming to the eye, and yet you can see very well, so I'm sure he's happy with them. Coming back around, let you guys check out the underglow that I did for him the other day. If you guys are interested in doing the underglow, I'll have the video at the end. You guys can click on that and check it out, see what you guys think. I also have the DIY video on it, so you guys, if you guys are interested in doing something like that, you guys can do it. There they are. Alright guys, so that's the end of the video. If you guys like it, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you guys have any questions for me, comment down below and I'll try to get to them as soon as I can. Alright guys, thank you for watching. See you on the next video.